Hello everyone. We are from PBL 606 morning team, and we present our project title Existence. And here's our project manager, Mrs. Argani, and our team, me, Giska Amelia as a leader, and there's Aisha, Shelina, Aura, Iqbal, Della, and Daniela. And for the first slide, Selena will explain the production stage.
Okay, so through Existence, we show the relationship between human creativity and fast-growing technology, especially in AI in creative field. It reflects a real issue today where people use AI without thinking about the value of original work and the artist's hard work. Hopefully, this project will encourage audience to appreciate the creative process and the uniqueness in humans' art that can be replaced by AI. This animation will be around 2-3 minutes long, and we mix 2D and 3D animation mainly for the background. Okay, the next slide, please. The story revolves around Rasa Journey to create a safe art website for her artist sister Jiwa, who experienced transparency because of some tragedy related to Mimic that is correspond to AI in real world. Next slide. These are the storyboards we have developed. We have 12 scenes and 74 shots. These are the marca. Marca is something that heavily inspired by My Little Pony. It reflects how someone's unique talent and their self-representation of their personality. And transparency is a phenomenon where someone will be see-through because they experience a great negative emotion for a long time, especially if they lose motivation of their destiny. Okay, so the next slide will be the character section will be explained by Aura and Aisha.
Okay, for the next slide is our characters. Here are the characters that we had created for our animations. The first character is Rasantara, or short Rasa, which is our main character. Rasa is a cheerful, confident, and optimistic freshman student. We tried a few color scheme at first with her, but ended up with blue and red since we think that it fits her the best. Red represents her bravery and blue represent her passion for IT. This is the design for Rasa on the past timeline when she's still 10 years old. She has a short bob hair with a side-tied red hair clip, baby blue shirt, a pair of red shorts, and flip-flops. Next slide. The next one is Rasta's design for the current timeline. Again with a blue theme, IT themed shirt, black pants, and red shoes, and still with the red hair clip. Next slide. And this is the last design for Rasa, which is on the end of the story. We changed her hairstyle a bit to make her look more mature. For the rest of the characters will be continued by Aisha.
Okay, next we have the mood board and visual reference for Rasa's older sister, Jiwa. Jiwa is wearing a long sleeve clothing and a skirt, along with long, wavy, and tight hair, contributes to a feminine and graceful impression. Her dominant personal color is purple. Next. This is the turnaround designed for Jiwa. Next. This is Dirgantara, the father of Rasa and Jiwa. He is characterized as firm and rigid person, depicted with short black hair streaked with gray, and a thin mustache to enhance his stern and serious facial expression. Next. He wears a simple brown polo shirt, complemented by a neatly worn belt and black trousers. A pair of well-maintained brown leather shoes complete his appearance. Next. This is Raga. He is portrayed with dark brown hair styled backward with light yellowish skin tone. Next. Raga's outfit consists of a yellow short-sleeved overshirt, blue trousers, and a casual black shoes. In terms of personality, Raga is firm and reliable, yet also friendly and approachable, often displaying a warm smile. Next. Finally, the environment will be explained by Dela.
Okay, next is the environment. Next. Here are the mood boards and visual reference for Rasa bedrooms, Jiwa bedroom, hospital room, and connecting hallway. Next. First, here is the visual of Rasa bedroom, designed as a simple teenage room with a dominant blue color scheme. Next. Then here is Jiwa's bedroom, which includes some art tools with a space dominated by pink and yellow tones. Next slides will be explained by Dela. Next is other background. On the other background section, we develop several supporting environments such as the hospital room, where Jiwa undergo her transparency treatment, connecting hallway where the inciting incident occurred, and technology festival where Rasa first present her website prototype. Next is 2D texturing for 3D environment. In this part, we use several software tools such as Adobe Substance 3D Painter, Pentoolsite, and Medibank Paint to create texture in 2D, which were then applied for the 3D environment. Next part will be continued by Iqbal.
Okay, moving on the existence audio section. We focused on three main elements to enhance the film's emotional impact. First, voiceover. Record in the studio and edit using BandLab or Studio One. Original music, created using Ableton, tailored to the music ambience planning for each scene, ranging from magical atmospheres to an energetic spirit. As effects, such effects such as footsteps and heartbeat to bring the atmosphere and the character's emotions to life. This entire audio design is crafted to ensure the emotional impact of every scene is fully conveyed to the audience. Next. Okay, the next slide, we have software for video editing and compositing using Adobe After Effects and OpenTunes. The next slide will be continued by Giska.
Okay, proof of concept. Here are the results of all elements present as a beauty shot and as a scene test that we improved during production. And this proof of concept as a scene test. And the For process book cover, for the cover, we took a reference from several works and competition. And we have two covers, front and back. The front cover show Rasa is the main character, while the back cover show her past with her sister. And for our during this project, we regularly report our progress, mostly through the online communication. And there's our result, our 3-month project, from pre-production to the current production stage. Thank you for your attention.